choice to brighten your workspace. Hippo LED's new factory lighting in 2025. HAPIC, a name you'll love from the very start. The name HAPIC means choosing the sun. It's the lighting that picks and chooses a bright and reliable light like sunshine. Hippo LED is a company with 30 years of experience in research and development and producing safe and trustworthy lighting based on domestic manufacturing. Let's take a look at the box. The box is clean and no frills carton box. On the front, you can see the product diagram, power consumption, and certification info printed clearly at a glance. At the bottom, pictograms summarize key features: IP65 dust and waterproof rating, 3-year quality warranty, excellent color rendering, KS certification, and domestic production. For more details, please refer to the enclosed manual. Unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the main product, bracket, chain, and 2 bolts. Let's take a look at the main product. The first impression is that it's strong and reliable. It has a sturdy matte gray metal body, a wide and round diffuser cover, and an orange ring around the center. These subtle touches add Hippo LED's unique style. Inside the lens, high-output LEDs are arranged precisely to spread light evenly. The product size is 320 mm in diameter and 219 mm in height. It weighs about 2.3 kilograms, which is light enough to hold with one hand and not too heavy for installation. Now, let's quickly summarize the specs of the HAPIC 150 Watt. It uses 150 Watt of power, color temperature of 5,700 Kelvin, brightness of 17,250 lumen, luminous efficacy of 115 lumen per watt, and CRI of 80 RA. This makes it a high-efficiency, high-brightness, and reliable factory light. With 115 lumens per watt, it's brighter and longer-lasting than other lights with the same power, which helps reduce electricity costs. Let's turn on the light.
Don't even worry about it.
This is what 17,250 lumen looks like. It easily brightens up every corner of the space at once. The light is shown evenly and widely in every angle. The color temperature of 5,700 Kelvin is close to natural daylight, so colors appear clear and vivid without distortion, reducing eye strain while improving focus. Lighting isn't just about brightness. It needs to be comfortable for the eyes, accurate, and safe. HAPIC meets all these conditions. HAPIC was developed by considering the installation environment carefully. The power cord comes in 2 options, 50 cm and on-memmeter, making installation easy to fit the site conditions. On the side, there are 7 angle adjustment holes. After setting the desired angle, you just tighten the provided screws, and the angle stays fixed over time without shifting. It can be installed vertically on the ceiling, or precisely directed toward machines or work surfaces. As I showed on the box, it has an IP65 dust and waterproof rating. HAPIC is a product with IP65 rating, which means it is dust and waterproof. IP is an international standard, indicating how well the product is protected from dust and water. The 6 means total dust-proof, and 5 means it can resist strong water jets. Simply put, it can be used in outdoor spaces exposed to rain, humid workplaces, or dusty environments without issues. The product comes with a 3-year quality warranty. This reflects Hippo LED's confidence in the quality and durability of the product. Please note, in the following circumstances, the damage may not be covered by the warranty. As long as these conditions are observed, HAPIC can be trusted for long-term use. So, where can HAPIC be used best? Factories, logistics warehouses, gyms, parking lots, especially outdoor parking lots. If you have a tall ceiling and wide space, Hippo HAPIC can cover it brilliantly. The best choice for work environments. Pick the Sun HAPIC, industrial lighting that offers brightness, durability, and easy installation all in one. Brighten your site, keep workers safe, and have a happy day with Hippo HAPIC. We are Hippo. Thank you.